Dear students, I am going to read the question. A body of mass 3 kg is moving along a straight line with a velocity of 24 meter per second. When it is at a point P, a force of 9 Newton act on the body in a direction opposite to its motion. The time after which it will be at P again is, the options are given: 8 second, 16 second, 12 second and 24 second. Okay, now m is equal to 3 kg and u is equal to 24 meter per second. Okay, so this is the body. Now 99 newtons is act on it, then u is equal to 24 meter per second. Okay, so the body mass is 3 kg, so let it be, this is the point P. So now what will happen, body will go forward and will become as an 0. So a is equal to f by m, that is equal to 9 by 3, that is equal to 3 meter per second square. So acceleration is came as an 3 meter per second square. So now by the equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as, so final velocity becomes 0. The initial velocity is already given 24 meter per second square, then 2a, a is an minus 3 because it is an opposite direction into s. Now s is equal to, what will happen, see, s minus minus get cancelled, so s is equal to, it's comes as an 96 meter if we are simplify it. Now s is equal to ut plus half at square. So now we are going to find out the final time when they are coming back. Okay, so now see here 96, s is equal to how much, my dear? 96, that is equal to 24 into t minus half a is an 3t square. Why we took as an minus? Because it is an opposite direction. So 3 1 ja, so 3 8 ja, so here is an 332 ja. Now if you take a LCM as an 2 this side and we have to send out, then final equation has come as an 64 is equal to 16t minus t square. Yes or no? So we can write this equation as an t square minus 16t plus 64 is equal to 0. Now the roots will come as an, we have to find out the roots for the t. So 8t, 8 8 is 64, so we write as an t square minus 8t minus 8t plus 64 is equal to 0. Now if you take a common t, then it will come as an t minus 8 minus 8. If you take a common, again it will come as an t minus 8. So now t will come as an 2 values, that is equal to, t is equal to 8 and another root is an t is equal to 8. So the total time it's come, my dears. So the total time become as an 8 plus 8, that is equal to 16 second. So that is our final answer. Now the correct option is second option, that is 16 second. My dears, hope you understand that. Dear students, I'll read the question. A force of 25 Newton act on a body at rest for the 0.2 second and a force of 70 Newton act for the next 0.1 second in a opposite direction. If the final velocity of a body is 5 meter per second, then the mass of the body is, the options are given: 1 kg, 2 kg, 0.8 kg and 0.4 kg. Okay, see, I am going to be tell you the answer. F is equal to 25 newtons is given and u is equal to 0, which is at rest, and time is given as an, in the first case, 0.2 seconds. Now we have to find out the momentum, that is p is equal to f into t. So p is equal to 25 into 0.2, that is equal to 5. So p is nothing but momentum, that is an mv. So mv is equal to 5. Actually we consider the first case, mv is equal to 5. Okay, the second case, the f is equal to given as an 70 Newton and t is equal to 0.1 second and v is equal to 5 meter per second. Now the second case, momentum p dash is equal to f into t again. So p dash is equal to how much, my dear? So 70 into 0.1 second, that become as an 7. Yes or no? So now P dash is nothing but what? Momentum. That is change in momentum. We can write as an mv minus mu. So mv minus mu is equal to, it comes as an 7. Okay, then mv is equal to, we can write as an mv minus m, there is an mu is already we find out as an 5 in the first case, that is in opposite direction, that's why we take as an minus 5, that is equal to become as an 7. So mv is equal to 7 minus 5, so mv is equal to, in the second case it comes as an 2. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Now we have to find out the mass. So mv is equal to 2. So now here the m is equal to 2 by v. So m is equal to 2 by v. How much is came? Is came as an, in the first case 5. That is equal to, m is equal to, it comes as an 0.4 kg. So that is our final answer. The correct option is an, my dears, it is an 0.4 kg. That is an fourth option. Okay, hope you understand that. Okay students, I will going to read the question. When a force 1 Newton act on 1 kg mass at a rest of 1 second, its final momentum is P. When 1 Newton force is act on 1 kg mass of rest through a distance of 1 meter, its final momentum is P dash. The ratio of P to P dash is, the options are given, 1:1, 1:√2, 1:1, 1:2, 2:1. In the first case, F is equal to 1 Newton, U is equal to 0, T is equal to 1 second, and mass is equal to 1 kg. Now momentum P is equal to F into T. How much F, my dear? 1. Okay, 1 into 1 kg, that is equal to 1. P is equal to 1. Now second case, F is equal to 1 Newton and U is equal to 0, S is equal to 1 meter, then M is equal to 1 kg. Now by the equation S is equal to ut plus half at square, we can find out the value of T. So 1 is equal to, see, ut is become as a 0 because initial velocity is 0. So remaining is half at square. Half a is become as an 1 and t square. So now t square is equal to 2 and t is equal to root 2. How the a is came? A is equal to F by m. Yes or no? So F is equal to 1 Newton and mass is equal to 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1 meter per second square. That is the value we substitute a value in this equation. Okay. Now momentum P is equal to F into T. So P is equal to F into root 2. So I will take as an P dash. P dash is equal to root 2. So P is to P dash is equal to 1 is to root 2. So that is the answer. So now our correct option is option 2, is 1 is to root 2. Okay, hope you understand. My dear students, I am going to read the question. A ball of mass 600 gram strike a wall with a velocity of 5 meter per second at an angle of 30 degrees with the wall and rebounds with the same speed at the same angle with the wall. The change in momentum of a ball is in kg meter per second. The options are given as an 15, 10, 5 and 3. Okay, now I am going to drawing the diagram. So this is the wall and now the ball is striking the wall, okay, and rebounds back. Yes or no? So now this is an horizontal line which I am going to draw here and angle is made with the wall vertically 30 degrees. Okay, so now mass of the ball and velocity of the ball is given. So I am going to write here velocity is equal to 5 meter per second and mass is equal to m is equal to 600 gram. Okay, now he asked about change in momentum. Now the change in momentum, delta p is equal to 2 times of mv sin theta, that is an mv sin 30 degrees. Okay, so now 2 into mass is on 600 grams, so 600 divided by 1000 I converted into kgs, into v is on 5 meter per second, and sin theta sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled, and 2 zeros get cancelled here, so the remaining thing is an 0.6. yes or no? So 6 by 10 is equal to 0.6 into 5, so that's become as an 3. So 3 kg meter per second. This is a change in momentum. Understand? So our correct option is the fourth option is a correct option. Hope you understand. My dear students, I am going to read the question. A balloon with its contents weight 160 Newton is moving down with an acceleration of g by 2 meter per second square. Then he says that the mass to be removed from it so that the balloon can be moved up with an acceleration of g by 3 meter per second square is. So the options are given: 5 kg, 10 kg, 6 kg and 3 kg. Okay, so the answer is mg minus a is equal to, we are removing the mass, m minus x, I consider as an x, m minus x g plus a. While coming down g minus a, while going up g plus a. So now 16 into 10 minus g by 2 is equal to 16 minus x, so 10 plus a. A is nothing but g by 3. Now we have to find out the x value. So simply I am going to multiply with the 16. So 160 minus 160 by 2. Okay, so now 16 minus x into 10 plus 10 by 3. Now 160 minus 160 by 2 become as an 160 by 2. Yes or no? That is equal to 16 minus x into, that is 30 plus 10, 40 by 3. Yes or no? So 0 0 get cancelled, 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja 16, and 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4. So what is remains, my dear? So it is remains as an, this side is an 2, this side is an 3. 3 2 ja 6 is equal to 16 minus x. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to 16 minus 6. So x is equal to 10 kg. That is our answer. The correct option is second option. Okay students, I am going to read the question now. A block of mass 5 kg is at rest on a smooth horizontal surface. Water coming out of the pipe horizontally at an rate of 2 kg per second hit the block with a velocity of 6 meter per second. The initial acceleration of a block is. The options are given as an 0, 1.2 meter per second, 2.4 meter per second and 0.6 meter per second. Okay, now the answer is, we will use the formula as an F is equal to V dm by dt. When we are going to use this formula? When the mass is variable. Okay, when the mass is constant, we will going to use F is equal to ma. Here the mass is variable. Yes or no? And velocity is a constant. Are you getting my point? Now F is equal to ma. So ma is equal to V dm by dt. Understand? So mass is on 5 into a, that is equal to, V is already given, 6 into dm by dt is given as an 2 kg per second. Yes or no? Now a is equal to 6 to the 12 by 5. So a is equal to comes as an 2.4 meter per second square. That is our answer. Okay. Dear students, I am going to read the question. A horizontal jet of water coming out of a pipe of area of cross section 20 centimeter square hit a vertical wall with the velocity of 10 meter per second and rebounds with the same speed. The force exerted by a water on a wall is, options are given, 0.2 Newton, 10 Newton, 400 Newton and 200 Newton. Okay. So the answer now is F is equal to, here is an 2a v square into rho. Rho is the density of a water, a is the area of cross section of a pipe, okay, v is the velocity. So now 2 into area is given as an 20 centimeter, that's why I am taking as an 20 divided by 10 power 4 into v is given as an 100, that is 10 into 10 100, that into 10 power cube is an density of a water. So now 10 cube 1 0 and 10 power 4 is get cancelled, the remaining is an 400 Newton. So this is our answer. The correct option is an third option is a correct option. Okay, hope you understand that. My dear students, I am going to read the question. A body of mass 2 kg is moving along the positive x direction with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Now a force of 10 root 2 Newton is applied at an angle of 45 degrees with the x-axis. Its velocity after the 3 second is, options are given, 20 meter per second, 15 meter per second, 25 meter per second and 5 meter per second. Okay. Now I will going to draw the free body diagram. Okay, so this is the mass of the block which given as an 2 kg. Now the force is act 10 root 2 with an horizontal making with the angle of 45 degrees. If you divide the two components along with the x-axis and along with the y-axis, along with the x-axis has come as an 10 Newton. How it will come? See, 10 root 2 cos 45. So cos 45 how much, my dear? Cos 45 is become as an 1 by root 2. So root 2 will get cancelled. Yes or no? Along with the y-axis also it will come as an 10 root 2 sin 45. Sin 45 also value also is an 1 by root 2 only. Yes or no? So it become as an 10 Newton. So velocity is given in the horizontal direction, Vx is equal to 5 meter per second. Now the force is equal to, along with the x-axis, F is equal to 10 and A is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5 meter per second square. So we use the equation as an V is equal to U plus AT. So V is equal to 5 plus 5 into 3. So that is equal to 20 meter per second. So this is along with the x-axis. Yes or no? I am taking as an Vx, Vx, Vx. Okay. Vx in horizontal direction it is an 20 meter per second. Now I am going to find out the velocity in the vertical direction. In the vertical direction, Vy is equal to U is an 0. In y direction, initial velocity is 0. So 0 plus 5 into 3. So Vy is equal to 5 3 is 15. So 15 meter per second. Now I want to find out the net velocity. So net velocity is equal to V net is equal to root of Vx square plus Vy square. We know that. Okay. So 20 square plus 15 square. That become as an root 625. Yes or no? So now V net is equal to root 625. Root 625 how much, my dear? 25. Yes or no? 25 25 is 625. So V net is equal to 25 meter per second after the 3 seconds. That is the answer. Our correct option is an third option is the correct option. Hope you understand. Dear students, I am going to read the question. A disc of mass 5 kg is kept floating horizontally in a mid-air by firing the 10 bullets per second vertically up. If the mass of the each bullet is 50 gram and the bullet rebounds with the same velocity, the speed of the each bullet is, so options are given, 100 meter per second, 200 meter per second, 50 meter per second and 10 meter per second. Okay. Now m is equal to 2m nv upon g into t. So actually weight we are balanced. Okay, capital mg is equal to 2mv n by v by t. So okay, so n by t is given already, it is an 10. So mass of the plate is given as an 5 is equal to 2 into 50 into 10 power minus 3, because 50 grams is given, we converted into kg. So then 10 into V upon 10. Okay, so now 10 get cancelled. So the remaining thing is an 2 5 is 50, that is an, it will come as an 5 2 is 10, 100 into 10 power minus 3 into V. Okay, 2 zeros and 10 power minus 3 get cancelled. One remaining is an 10 power minus 1 will be remain. So it will come this side, it will become as an 50 5 into 10. Yes or no? That is equal to 50 meter per second. So this is our answer. Correct option is third option. Dear students, I am going to read the question now. A body of mass 5 kg moving on a horizontal surface with a velocity of 10 meter per second come to rest in 2 seconds. The force required to make this body move with a velocity of 10 meter per second on the same surface is. Options are given: 0, 10 Newton, 25 Newton and 50 Newton. Okay, now P is equal to F into T. P is nothing but, so mv minus u is equal to F into 2. Okay, mass is given as an 5 into 0 minus 10 is equal to F into 2. Yes or no? Now F is equal to, it will come as an minus 50 by 2, that is equal to minus 25 Newton. So force is required, F is equal to 25 Newton. That means the magnitude of force is equal to 25 Newton. Here minus is came, the minus is indicate the direction, it is in opposite direction to the applied force. Yes or no? So the total answer is how much, my dear? The F net, that is an magnitude of F is equal to 25 Newton. That is our answer. The correct option is an third option is an correct answer. Are you getting my point? So hope you understand that.